Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you physical education of standard 4 and topic is keeping fit and smart. Okay, how we keep fit and smart. Let's start. Time and tide, wait for none is a wise saying. Do you know what that means? Time and tide, wait for none. Do you know what that means? It means if something has to be done, it must be done in time. Okay, time wait for no one. You go to school in time, you take breakfast in time, you play in the time. Okay, anything you have done, you done in proper times. Okay, because time wait for no one. Okay, and once the time for something has gone, they remain things undone. So every task must be done its allotted time. Okay, every task done in allotted time. There is given time, you do its allotted time. Okay, have you heard early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise? Have you heard this? Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Go to early to bed and rise early. Okay, you must sleep early and rise early too. Okay, sunlight is good for health. Okay, sunlight is good for health. So of course you go morning walk. Okay, of course a morning walk refreshes your mind and body. Okay, so you must go morning walk because morning walk refreshes your mind and body. Okay, so you must go in the morning. Why you should brush your teeth? Do you know why you should brush your teeth? Okay, after you eat something, food particles get stuck up in your teeth. If you not wash and clean, they decay and spoil the teeth. Okay, eat something, food particles get stuck up in your teeth. Okay, so if you not wash and clean, they decay and spoil. So you must brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, when you take bath in the morning after a long morning walk, it cleans your body of sweats and germs. Okay, after coming from the morning walk, you have in your body sweats. Okay, so you must clean your body with sweats and germs. For take antiseptic soap and shampoo every day, so that is make you feel and clean and fresh. Okay, you take antiseptic soap and shampoo every day, so that it makes you feel clean and fresh. Okay, a neat school uniform must be worn while going to school. A well ironed and clean uniform makes you look smart and ready to study and play. Okay, when you go to school, you must well ironed and clean uniform. Many students come to school without iron and clean. Okay, you must iron and clean uniform here. Okay, because when you wear clean uniform, you look like smart. Okay, so you must wear clean uniform, clean and iron school uniform. Okay, eating your breakfast is very important. It provides you the starting energy to go through your day's work. Okay, so you must take breakfast because breakfast is starting energy to go through your day's work. Okay, so you must take breakfast in the morning. Your breakfast must include breads, butter, eggs, a lot of waters. Okay, in the morning when you take breakfast, in breakfast you must take bread, butter, egg, glass of milk and lots of water. Okay, after you go to school by bus. Okay, when you eat your lunch in the school, wash your hand. Okay, when you eat lunch in the lunch time, you wash your teeth, wash your hand, and after taking the lunch and again you go and wash your hand. Always eat your lunch in lunch time. Okay, in school in the fourth period is lunch time, so you must wash your hands and then you take lunch. Okay, and finish all that your mother has given you. Your lunch gives you the energy and study and play in the school. Many students bring the lunch and don't eat and throw in the dustbin, wasted the lunch, because my mother also works very hard, so you must finish all the lunch. Okay, you finish all the lunch, don't throw in the dustbin. Okay, and lunch gives you energy to study, play in the school. Okay, after coming home, you must first you wash your hand, face. Okay, and bath during the summer season. Okay, after coming from school, you must first wash your hand, face, okay, and you must change your school uniform. First, you must change school uniform to keep fit for next days. Okay, you must change your uniform for next days. Okay, if your school uniform is dirty, then ask your mother to clean this school uniform. Okay, you must wash your socks every day. Okay, now is the time to eat something and start doing your homeworks. Okay, after coming from school, wash your hand, wash your face. In the summer season, you take bath. Okay, after this you wash your socks also. After this time to take some lunch and do your homework. After some rest in the evening, you go outside and play. And game is also important for you, so you all in the evening you go outside and play. Okay, your mother, father, brother, sisters all loves you and you loves too. Okay, your mother, father, brother, sister love you and you also love them too, but it is important to spend some time with them. Okay, it is important to spend some time with your family also, so it is a useful habit. After taking your dinner at night after taking your dinner, it's time for go to bed. Okay, after taking your dinner, it's time for go to bed. You must sleep at least 7 or 8 hours, okay, a day. It keeps you fit and fresh for next days. Okay, you must sleep on time and at least 7 or 8 hours a day. Okay, these are activities that helps you live a healthy and energetic, successful life. Okay, these are activities help you a healthy, energetic, and successful life. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe and be ready for next videos.